G'day, Rosie here. How are y'all doing? Oh, well, all the cats and the dogs are playing along. Hey, she's got kittens in the house, but she likes to come out and play around. I was just doing some trimming and I made a bouquet. It's a beautiful bouquet, I thought. Right? Should put it in water, enjoy it for a while. Anyways, I hope you and that my cat's getting, you know, that the kittens are getting ready to be kicked out of the roost when the little one's going further and further, mama. Yeah. Tomato plants are doing awesome. Raspberries are coming along. Y'all have a good day. Keep your stick on the ice. See ya.